So because the honey was a little hard, I had to stick it in the microwave for about 10 seconds, no more than that. And actually, you could probably do it in 5 seconds. Honey melts really well and very fast in the microwave. So I did that. And then it was much easier to mix the black seed with the honey. And it looks like a very nice, rich paste. And we're going to try it and see how we're going to do a taste test. And I have my little guinea pig here. See how, it's not a lot. Okay, where is it? Oh, there we go.
I'm only doing this for the YouTube video or whatever, wherever this is going.
Put her back. He's not screaming. He's not twitching. That means it's good. It actually is good. I tried it.
You ground it up?
I did.
That's fine.
Better than before, right? It was easier to chew. Much better.
Yeah.
All right. This concludes a successful trial of the black seed. For those of you who are interested in purchasing a jar of black seed paste, we'll be more than happy to take your orders at $50 per jar.
That's nice.